Ready to bake incredible sourdough from scratch? Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, let's create your starter. Simply mix equal parts flour and water in a jar. Give it a cozy spot to rest. Nurture your starter daily with fresh flour and water. In about 5 to 7 days, you'll have a bubbly, active starter ready to bake. Now let's make the dough. Combine your active starter, flour, water, and a touch of salt. Let this mixture rest. It's called autolyse, just a fancy term for letting the magic begin. No intense kneading needed. Gentle stretch and folds every 30 minutes, about 4 times, will build that beautiful gluten structure. Let your dough rise for 4 to 6 hours. Watch it puff up like a sourdough pillow. It's working. Shape your dough gently and pop it in the fridge overnight. This cold proof develops amazing deep flavor. Score your loaf and bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius, with steam for 20 minutes covered, then 20 uncovered for that perfect crust. Let it cool completely. Slice and devour. You did it! Your very own sourdough loaf. You've got this. Try this recipe, share your bake, and keep exploring the wonderful world of sourdough. Happy baking!